Welcome back. Now once you've completed the Fulfillment tab, you can then click Next and move on to the Checkout tab. And this is where you have control over the look and feel of your shopping cart page. So for example, you can use the standard layout. You can use the sales cart layout. You can have a sales cart layout that's going to be embeddable, or you can have the sales cart layout pop up on the user's personal computer. You can choose the cart's language, and you can choose between two sets of carts as of the recording of this video. So for example, you can choose the legacy charts, which are still available. Once you have chosen the cart you're going to use, you can then go to the Design subtab. Now, at this point, you can copy a design from another product that you already have, or you can edit the design. And it's here where you can use the elements that Thrivecart gives you in order to control the look and feel of your shopping cart page. You can use the drag and drop elements, and you can add them to your page. When you highlight the element, you will see the properties of that element in this area, and you can make changes to it from the left side menu. You can make changes also to the success page, which is the page that the customer will reach once they have made payment. And if you want to add anything to the success page, you can add it here. For example, if you want to make sure that the customer sees a video, you can add that video here, and you can make changes to that video based on the properties area here in this left side menu. If you want to delete the element, you can hover over it. You'll then see the trash button, and then you can delete the element and then start again, or add any other element to the page that you are working on. Once you have completed the cart and the adjustments you're going to make to the look and feel of the cart, you can then click Next. Now, if you're going to add tracking elements to your cart, you can add Facebook pixels, Google pixels, and then custom pixels here in this area. Once you have added any tracking links, you can then click Next. And you are ready then to set behavior rules for your customer when they buy your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.